I'm Steph. I just got this amazing box of fall and winter clothes from KAVU, and I wanted to show you what I got. So first of all, there's this very soft and furry black cat. He's amazing. You should definitely order him. And what else have we got in here? Got these. You like these? These are the Altona overalls. These are great. They're this very thick cotton kind of canvasy fabric. These are going to be really good for construction projects, and cragging is what I'll probably use them for. And oh, I almost forgot about these unicorn socks. You know, obviously. These are really nice. This is the Winterton tights. Bye, kitty. Winterton tights. Sort of the theme of this season is soft and warm and fuzzy. And these tights are great. They're this kind of stretch velour, wide corduroy feel to them. Really warm. Gonna be great for climbing and just generally not being cold, which is my other favorite activity. Along the same lines, this is really awesome. This is the Alberta sweatshirt. And it's really cool. It's this kind of sweatshirt, smooth material on the inside, but the outside is this soft, stretchy, like velour velvet feeling surface to the fabric. This thing is really warm, it's super comfortable. And same fabric, which I totally love. This is the Riverton sweatshirt. This one's really great because it's longer and it's got front pockets, so it goes over your hips, and that always makes me even warmer when I'm wearing something that covers down the whole way. So pretty much I think between this and the Alberta, I'm probably going to be wearing these two basically all winter. But I will have to wear other things at other times. So I got this Jess really cool long flannel button down. It's kind of like this loose weave flannel fabric. It's got a hood, it's long, and this is going to be great for just camping, putting on in the morning. I like the colors. I like the blue and purple. Are you okay, Cajun? Are you getting buried in there? I will make sure you don't get avalanched, I promise. I don't always wear flannels, but when I do, they're ones that are like this, which is beautiful colors and super light and a little bit fuzzy. Just really nice fabric, long. I love this one. Great with tights. This is a really cool new thing, the Sopalana. It's kind of like a fleece pullover hoodie, but instead of the fleece being like velvety fuzzy, it's kind of like this mini version of like chenille, like, you know, your grandma's living room furniture where it's got that little I don't even know how to describe it. Like, it's like a little, like a mini sheep or something. Anyway, it's really cool. It's got these front zippers on the front pocket, like kangaroo pocket. It's got these little side zips. It's got a neck zip, and I love these kind of zippers with the big teeth. That's my favorite kind. So this thing is great. Really like it. I like that green color too. So in terms of being super warm, which is, I think, one of my main goals in the winter, I got this, which is called the Harlow hoodie. This is really warm because it's kind of Sherpa lined with this white furry, it's not super bulky because sometimes the Sherpa hoodies are like too thick, you know, but this one is just right. And the outside is really soft, and it's got these hand pockets in the front. So this is amazing. This is super, super warm. And I really love to wear long sleeve t-shirts in the winter. This is called the Yamsey. I like this because the sleeves are long enough, which sometimes they're not for me, and they have really nice cuffs. It's just like really soft, really stretchy. I love the design, love the charcoal gray color. That's always just an easy color to wear for everything. And I also got, in charcoal gray, this Wilhelmina sweater, which I really love. It's kind of like it's like a sweater poncho, but it has actual arms, which just makes it a little more convenient and warmer. and very cool, like asymmetrical hemline. This thing is really stretchy, really soft. I love this thing. So, all right, we gotta talk about rope bags. So, this is the rope pack. This is nitty gritty design, which I love. I love this black and white, kind of geometric, very pretty. It's a kind of light synthetic fabric. And so this is a really nice gym bag because you can just stick your phone in here, stick all your little things in here, and then put other stuff in the main pouch. And I just like the really light fabric and super washable because it's like this thin, kind of like outdoor synthetic fabric. So I've never had a rope bag before, and I thought, you know, it's about time I had a rope pack. So I got this one for all these practical reasons, plus I really like it. And then I saw that there was this rope pack called the Black Puff, which I immediately fell totally in love with because this is beautiful. It looks like black satin. It's synthetic, so I think there's practicality. But it looks like this black satin quilted, it looks like a Chanel bag or something. It is beautiful. And then the strap, you know, typically on the rope, the little rope packs, they have these kind of straight line of rope. This one is braided, so it's like this, it's like a guitar strap. This is so pretty that even though I had already, you know, for good reasons, decided to get this one, I had to have this bag. Then, as it turns out, thanks KAVU, because you make a mini one too, and then the mini one is like the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Look, it's got embroidered KAVU on the back, and then same thing, it's like super classy, you know? So I was like, okay, I don't have any rope packs, I've never had one, I can also have a mini one. Then, turns out, this season, they're making this absolutely most beautiful one, which is this very soft turquoise, very thin corduroy with like the coolest color contrast inside. And then look at the way the KAVU is in the back, like it's just so pretty. Don't judge me. So, yes, I have all these rope bags, but I am going to use them. I'm going to use them all the time, so this is not excessive. Okay, this is not a rope pack, so it's different. It's different. This is a really useful carry-all, and this is good for electronics and stuff you don't really want to get broken that much because it's got padding on the front and back, and really nice internal pockets. The thing I really like about this one, aside of obviously super cool, amazing, wow color scheme and size, is the fact that you can put it on your front, you can put it on your back, you can put it over your shoulder, you can just grab it. This thing is very practical as well as super cool. I mean, I've never seen anything like this before. And then I also got this little guy, which is the power pouch. This is really great for travel because I always end up with a lot of camera things. I have a bunch of Garmin helmet cameras, and then they all have little cables and little memory cards and all their little everythings, which there's no way to not lose. So I thought this would be really handy for traveling and keeping all the electronic items and cords from disappearing. So yeah, wow, some pretty amazing stuff. I am really excited to be very warm this winter and to carry around lots of rope packs. Thank you, KAVU. Just super, super excited, and I really appreciate it.